President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni today wrapped up his campaign trial in Bugisu sub-region with a final rally held at Buluku Grounds in Mbale City. Hundreds of residents turned up to show their support and appreciation for what they described as his consistent leadership and commitment to freedom of worship. However, they also raised concerns over lingering community issues still awaiting government intervention.
For being a good example, for leading Uganda well and building a nation of people who pray together and people who live together.
Your Excellency, there is some program that has been there for long. The people of the youth of Bugisu at association have been compensated for the families that lost during 2016, sir. Your Excellency, the people of Northern Division during the insurgency in Teso, we had a problem, would come and sleep in the town when the insurgency was in Teso because they were also affected. So we request you that you at least get them cows so that they can improve on their income.
During his address, President Museveni highlighted key achievements in the road infrastructure across Mbale and assured the crowd that ongoing and pending road works would be addressed in the coming term.
Now, the road from here to Butiru, to Bugobero, to Buburo, to Bumbo, to Ruaha was tarmacked by us. The roads which are being planned, the ones which I talked about have already been done. But the one we are going to do now, new ones, are Nabumari, Butareja, Namtuba Road, 90 kilometers. The money is available for that road. Mbale and Kokonjeru Road, that one is a short road, it is 20 kilometers. Then we are going to do Buburo, Bududa, Mbale, Circular Road. There is one of my towns which people have been bypassing. This is Magale. When the road was going to Ruaha, I knew it was passing through Magale.
Museveni also reflected on the remarkable growth in the education sector, noting that Mbale district now boasts 159 government primary schools and 16 government secondary schools. Mbale City alone has 69 government primary schools, a stark contrast to 1961 when Uganda had only 6 A-level institutions nationwide.
So all the parishes that do not have government primary schools will get. We shall continue until they all get. Now the secondary schools, Mbale district has got 16 government secondary schools, and Mbale City has got 5 government secondary schools. So altogether they have got 21 government secondary schools. Now all these are part of the social infrastructure, and together with the economic infrastructure, they form what we call development.
He further emphasized the role of the wealth creation programs like the parish development model in uplifting the household incomes and fostering national prosperity.
Introduced PDM. When I introduced PDM, when I checked last time, 67% were now in the money economy, 33% were still outside. But nationally, we are producing so much. Coffee is now like 12 million bags. We used to have 3 million bags. We are now producing 12 million bags. Tea, we were at 3 million kilograms. We are now at 60 million kilograms. So the individuals have got out of poverty and the country is having more wealth. But there are people who are still in poverty. These are the ones we are struggling with.
The rally marked a confident close to the president's campaign in the sub-region with calls for the continued development and inclusive growth